Today we will learn how to create timeline scrolling in Premiere Pro. First of all, create a long text box with the Type tool and type years in it. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and open the text part. Bring it to the center. Now go to Opacity and click on the rectangle mask. Now in the Opacity mask, set the value of mask feather to 81 and make the value of mask expansion to 3. Now in the Vector Motion part, bring the text again to the center of the opacity mask. Now turn on the toggle animation of position. Move the navigator forward for 2 seconds and change the value of its y-axis till the last text comes to the center. Click on the arrow given on the left side of position and click and drag both the nodes given below the keyframes. And it is ready.
That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.